right. The big reveal. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. The Clawsome Machine. Hunter's costume.
Gorgeous.
This is where the candy goes. Goes right in that bucket. I made a little chute for it. I've got paint all over my hands. Put some lights in there. These glowy lights. The button. This actually moves. Woo! A little too much. I gotta super glue it back down because touchy hands. Don't have the stuffed animals in here yet.
Well, it wasn't my fault that much.
A little bit maybe, huh? And then here,
Oh, you're so silly.
forgot to turn this on. Okay, where's the button? Those are the claws holding an emoji poop. So there it is. Now we just need a kid and stuffed animals or whatever kind of goodies in there.
I think I know what you are talking about. If you need a kid, then
Oh, okay, we have a kid that wants to volunteer.
If you need a kid, then there you go.
This is why it took so long. I used wood. I put caster wheels on there. The whole shebang. Right, Chi? We put lights. He helped me. I feel like I'm missing lights. Are all the lights on? Yeah, they're all on, right?
All the lights on.
Wow! Let me get a big picture. There it is. The Clawsome Machine. 2022 Hunter's costume. Boom.